Okay, so if you have already access to the workspace and want to transfer some files from a particular group, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So let's say that we have this group, the University of South Carolina. This is for a class, CCAV 724. And if you go to data sharing, you're going to see there are different ways that you can share data. Um, one of the ways is within the workspace. And one of the things that they're giving you here is information about the directory where that workspace is created. So this is important information. What I'm going to do now is just basically copy it, make sure that I have it somewhere, and what I'm going to do is go into that workspace, launch that tool. I had a session that I started, but I'm going to start a new session. You might not see this particular um, uh, page, but you could just go straight to the session, and you find something like this. So what you want to do is move the file from that group to your home directory, so you can access it from other applications or other tools within the NEEShub. And to be able to do that, what you can use is the command mv, and then you type the path that was given in the previous page. So that would be data groups, then the group name, in this case is ECIV 724 fall 2012, then Dropbox, and then there you're going to see all of the files. So there's going to be a file that is for example, that's the sub file, and you want to move it to your current location, which in that case is dot. And instead of using MV, let's use CP, because otherwise it will move it instead of copying it. We want to copy it instead of moving it. Okay, so CP, and what that did is just copy the file from the group space to your personal folder. If you want to create a folder where you keep all of your, let's say, your subfiles for the class, you can just create it using mkdir. So say sap class, for example, and then you can just do the same copy command to sap class, and it will actually copy it into that directory. I can do the same thing with the earthquake data. And it will copy it into that directory. Now, can I see a list of the files in that directory? I can do dir, and then you can see the two files that are there. Now that I've done that, if I go back to the SAP, let's see, I have workspace, this is laboratory, you can close that one. If I open SAP, locational version, and don't worry about this first error that shows up. If you go File, Open, then you're going to see Caicedo or your name in there, and there's the SAP class that I created, and the file is right there, so you can actually open it that way.